I'll just go ahead and say it now. If you got a white Chevy truck, don't buy Duplicolor Olympic White. My code on my truck is 8624, and that's what it called for, was Olympic White Duplicolor, and that shit don't match at all. But it's better than it was. I think it's more like a bright white, because the Olympic white is too dark. It's got a gray tint to it.
I just wanted to point out that I had bought all of the Amazon paintless dent repair tools and attempted using those. It's a cheesy little toolkit that may work for small dings, but for these large dent it did not work. I am no professional, but I think this definitely made it look better than it did before I started. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps the next guy out.